Hello, friends. I'm Joni Calum. Happy May 28th, 2021. It was super warm here in Columbus last week, and all the bees were buzzing around my garden, which made me pull out my beehive fingerplay. This is a fingerplay that I learned many, many years ago in Hebrew from a wonderful early child music educator named Dorit Arel. And when I moved to the United States, I translated the fingerplay from Hebrew to English, and at some point discovered that it probably had originated in English and she had translated it into Hebrew, because I'm pretty sure that this is out there in English, and maybe after you hear this, some of you can type in, yes, what are the words in English? But here goes. First we'll do it in English, and then we'll do it in Hebrew, and then we'll turn it into a full body game. So it's a finger play. You'll see it's also a tickle. I'm sure we could also make it into a bounce, okay? Here are your bees. Here's the beehive. Here's the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding where no one sees. They'll come out, don't you fret. Please don't get upset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. Back to the hive. Now switch hands. Here are the bees. Here's the beehive. Here's the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding where no one sees. They'll come out, don't you fret. Please don't get upset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. Back to the hive. So here's the Hebrew. הנה הכוורת, אך איפה הדבורים? מסתתרות ולא רואים. הן יצאו, אל תדאג, רק אל תתרגש. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. חזרה, אל תתייאש. So I love showing children that, of course, the animals are speaking in the same language, bzzz, even when the humans are speaking in a different language. Now, to turn this into a full body dance, which works wonderfully in person and has been working very well on Zoom as well. The children curl up as teeny tiny bees inside of a beehive, and they are hiding until they hear me go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When they jump up and fly around until back to the hive, and they hide again. And of course, you can't do this just once. Okay, it seems like 3 is the magic number. So everybody curl up teeny tiny. Here's the wrong note. Here's the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding where no one sees. They'll come out, don't you fret. Please don't get upset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the hive. Quick, hide again. And here's the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding where no one sees. They'll come out, don't you fret. Please don't get upset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. to the hive. So that is Here is the Beehive. I don't know who wrote it originally in English. Dorit R.L. wrote it in Hebrew, and I translated it back to English, and there you have it. It is a wonderful favorite for my classes in the spring and the summer and in the fall when the bees are out pollinating our gardens and doing wonderful things. So happy May 28th. Bye, everyone.